girlfriend. Alright guys, here we are. We're doing Calico area, specifically the Mule Canyon Road or Mule Road. What's this? What is it? Oh yeah, we're gonna try the arch today. The Sal. It's a family affair, man. Here we go. Look at this crazy mofo.
Yeah.
Oh, he was.
I was gonna say, go ahead and go, so that you can just see.
I'll follow you. No, we're Gucci. I have air suspension, so I can lift it if it gets a little crazy.
Okay.
All right, guys, we're here. Just gonna air down real quick. Yeah, we're just airing down real quick, so I want some smooth out my ride. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. I think we're lost already, man. I'm gonna try to keep the window clean for you guys here. Jeepy. There we go. This is a fun trail already.
Yeah.
There we go. Woo, we made it. I can't see shit. Look at that. This is where that approach. I can only give you guys a grasp of what we just did right now. That was pretty deep. We're like completely forward.
Yeah, I think
Let's go back out.
I think it's that way, no?
Yeah, no, it's that way.
Oh, that on
We're
the
on the
other side?
backside. Yeah, we're on the backside of it.
Yeah, because I remember it looked a little different, but I was like,
Yeah.
you're
We're
like,
on the
okay,
backside.
yeah, I'm like, I don't remember this on the video.
You're good.
It's got like no space.
Yeah.
You done? Look at this cable over here. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Let me get this. Yo, you guys, check out this hole. You can't really tell, but it goes down far. Those are the mines, the holes for the mines.
Just a little bit. You're good.
Right.
You're good. Yeah. Straight. Right that way. Eh. Yeah. Ya, ahí está. Ahí está.
Yeah.
You got it over here?
I haven't even had to use the locker.
No. That's straight. Yeah, go straight.
Alright guys, I'm about to show you guys the mining caves. Well, I'm sure they do. I mean, there's the caves that they used to mine in, so. They probably lit it up on fire. No, this is for the miners. That's why they say it's like mining caves and stuff.
You think they work on them?
Oh, they used to, yeah. All right, you guys, we've arrived at Kramer's Arch. Yeah, you at the spot. See how it looks right there?
This. Let's go straight. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going.
What is this, the first Touareg to go to Kramer's Arch?
Yep. Easy, like nothing. Piece of cake. Dale, dale. Now you could turn it. You could turn it now.
Right?
Derecho. Right there, right there. Straight. There, there. Keep it straight. Here comes little Jesse. Slow, 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 slow. There you go. Straight, straight, straight. Turn it this way. Turn it this way. There, no. Alright. Okay. Stay on your left side. Oh, okay. Como si nada. Todos los demás carros, ¿cómo le batallan ahí? Yeah.
A little bit more to your right. Right there.
You're good.
You thinking Joe was flex.
Dale, Joe. Keep going straight. Dale, dale, dale. You're good. Okay. Slow, 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 slow. Dale, 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 dale.
Looks like we're gonna go like
Man, this is a Touareg, man. It's like nothing.
It's a beast.
It's a beast to climb anything. Go more that way. No, no, he's gonna use your brake. Use your brake. Slow, go slow. You're good, you're good. You're good, you're good, go.
My dad's bringing the Rubicon to the arch. The other way around.
Go, go. Go, go. That way, that way. That way.
There you go.
Slow, slow.
All right, straighten it out. Straighten
Okay,
it
you're
out.
good. Use your brake. Yes, use your brake.
You're straight right there. That's good.
You're good.
Who's leashing it?
Ay, güey.
Turn right, turn right.
Ya le di un pedazo. Ay, hijo de la mañana. Y dos, le dio.
Luckily, no, primo, though, honestly, at least it's just this thing. At least it's just this, though.
That's alright. It's fine.
You're good, dude.
You're good. Hey, we're here to have fun. We're here to have fun.
Dude, look at mine. It's all jacked up already, too.
You're good.
You're good.
You're good, mijo. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
There we go. There's the Rubicon. Going up this little... like nothing. Look at that tail. Woo! I'm sliding. I'm sliding everywhere. Let's see here. Oh yeah, you got that. That's easy. You just gotta probably stay more to the right, no?
You're good right there. Just to your left.
Sorry guys, I burped.
Just a little drop. There you go.
Woo.
All good.
A little crunch.
Slow, slow, slow. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
You can do it.
Do it.
Yeah.
It's pretty steep.
I can do it. No, I was kidding. Oh, that is steep.
Here comes Joe. He's gonna try this very steep hill. I'm pretty sure he'll make it. Go to your left. To your left. To your left. Ah, dale para allá. Yeah, straight. Just keep your eye on your left side. Stay on your left side. You watch your left side, and you'll be good. Dale, dale, you're good. Just stay on your left side. Yee.
What are you gonna hit? On the right side.
Se mueve el mono. ¿No?
Exactly. Se mueve la mano. He's all blaming the gun. All right, guys, that was the end of that trip. We had a great time. Just a few action shots that we got. We're still getting used to this whole filming and trying to like enjoy the trip a little bit. So anyway, hope you guys like it. Thumbs up, subscribe.